Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved, another computer is using the printer in Windows 7, 8, and Windows 10. First method, type services in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Right-click Print Spooler Service. Click Properties. Click Stop Service. Click Restart Service. Click OK. Second method is, type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type net space. Stop space. Spooler. Type net space. Start space spooler. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.